I'm going to show you how to create a meme really quick on Google Slides. So you start by opening up a Google Slide presentation. Just get rid of all that so it's blank. Now in a new tab, search blank memes, which I already did. You could find them by image or go to something like this website, Image Flip, and you can find a meme. This site actually lets you caption it from here, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this up, and it gives you a couple of samples, or you could click on blank template and it opens that up. So whether you find it on this site or just anywhere on the internet, you can right click on that and go to copy image, and it'll take you right back, or bring it back to your slide, and paste it. Control V or right click and paste, and there's your image. Now you can resize and center, whatever the case might be. And what I like to do is you have two options. You could either insert a text box and write down, whatever, or type whatever words you want to say, like this, maybe like Mondays. Am I right? Okay. But that doesn't look very meme-ish, right? So you're going to highlight it. I think Impact is probably the most meme-like font. And then you change it to white. And then just make it the right size, all right? And reposition it to there, all right? So that's one option. The other option is to insert, word art. And so I can click insert and go to word art and type in the same thing. All right, so it still doesn't quite look the right way, so I'm going to make it impact and white, and that's probably more meme-like. Right? I like that it gives you a little black outline to the letters too. And that's it. Hope you have fun with that.